Hazrat Abu Murrah, slave freed by Aqil bin Abu Talib, has reported from Abu Waqid Laysi that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, sitting in the mosque accompanied by some people, 3 men came there. 2 among them came towards Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and 1 went away. Those 2 stayed before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam for a while, and then one of them saw a vacant place inside the circle and sat there. The other one sat behind the gathering, while the third one turned and went away. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got free, he said, "Shouldn't I tell you about these 3 men?" One of them came towards Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu accommodated him. The second one felt shy. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gave him the reward for his shyness. And the third one turned his face, blessing of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu turned his face from him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 66.